Hi, I am Mauricio and I'm a PhD student in material science at the Department of Chemical Engineering and Material Science at the University of Minnesota. So my research focuses on interfaces of materials and studying their microstructures. Basically, I want to see how when you have two metals in an interface, they change the mechanical properties of the material. Bimetal laminates contribute also to enhancing the material properties of the material. The research focuses on eliminating the trade-off between high strength and high ductility material, which has been a problem in the steel industry. This solves the metal processing issue having to choose between a metal or a material that is high in strength and brittle, or highly ductile and weak. In metal processing, we have the issue of having materials that are high in strength but brittle, or high in ductility but they're weak. So this is the problem that my research is trying to solve. I picked my major because partly my dad was an engineer and he encouraged me. My family really admires scientists and they cultivated that curiosity and love for science in me. Okay, so something that helped me a lot into choosing this path was watching shows like Cosmos and going to natural science museums as a kid. So that made me reassured that this was my life path. Okay, so some of the questions that always drove me as a kid was, why is the world the way it is? What am I looking at? What am I touching? How does it feel? Why does it feel this way to touch this metal? Why is it shiny? There were so many unanswered questions all the time, and naturally I needed some answers. Material science grasped a bit of everything, and that is something that led me to start in this field. When I started college, I did not understand the difference between being the best version of myself and having the highest grades and working harder than everyone else. But I felt like I lacked in social skills, financial literacy, or mental health overall. So these things will lead you to be your best self. Always take care of yourself first. I would suggest that if you do this, you'll be happier along the journey and it will help you to keep on going and accomplishing your goals. I came to visit for a conference in 2019. As a person who was born in a competitive environment, it is Mexico, I was surprised by the level of collaboration and mental health of the students and faculty here. Things were done a different way and I really liked it. I wanted to find a place where I could become a great scientist, but also be happy. I wanted to find my family here. And I love the cold. The department is the top 5 in chemical engineering and I think top 20 in material science. So this is as good as any other Tier 1 program, and they also offer a competitive stipend. The campus is very beautiful as well, so everything was right. When I came here, I knew that I wanted to be